Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at two different lamps from Sunllipe. First lamp I'm going to show you is the 70-inch floor lamp. This is the 70-inch floor lamp that features a 9-watt LED bulb. Alright, so just to turn the lamp on, all you have to do is turn the knob to the right. And there you can see it is a nice bright lamp. It's very simple and it's very modern. It's going to fit in basically any room you have in your house. It takes up very, very little floor space, and the LED light doesn't emit heat like the old incandescent bulbs do. The LED light is a 3000K warm white and it provides 800 lumens. Here's a look at the base. It's pretty stable. It's also not too big, so if you lived in a crammed area or you want to put this in an area where you have a lot of furniture, it's going to easily fit in and you're not going to have to worry about that. A very modern, sleek design. I like the nice brown color, especially if you have a nice dark modern style. It's definitely going to fit in for you. The other Sunllipe lamp I'm going to show you today has the main lamp and an additional gooseneck for more light. This lamp is 70.5 inches tall. The top bulb is a 9-watt bulb and the side adjustable one is a 4-watt LED. These are both warm white lights, just like the one that I reviewed earlier. This is how you turn the light on. You turn the knob to the right, and at first the top 9-watt bulb will turn on, and then you turn it again and you get the gooseneck to turn on. Turn it once more and you have both the top and the gooseneck on. Then one more time and it's off. Here's how you can adjust the gooseneck. You can go down for more of a reading light, go up, add more additional light. You can move it to any side. It's very versatile. So you can get the light that you need. Here's the base of the lamp. It's very similar to the other one I showed you. It is a nice white color, so if you have like a white clear or sort of modern light natural stuff in your house, this is going to go well for you. Here's a look at the LED bulb. As you can see, it's nice. It's a warm white. It's not that bright, pungent LED that you usually see. The shades on both of these lamps here are very lightweight and don't have those heavy glass shades that if you were to drop it, it would fall and break. And you don't have to be so concerned about having to just maneuver them a certain way for them to go on and stuff like that. It's so much easier. If you're looking for a great statement piece of glass lamp or something like this might not be the one for you, but this is certainly a great, easy choice for someone that needs lighting, something to add extra little oomph in their house to add a brightness somewhere. Especially if you don't have a floor lamp. These would fit in basically any room in your house, whether you have a certain design or not. These both came in a small box, which means they do have to be assembled. Very minor assembly, but very simple assembly. Took about 5 minutes, so not too bad. Alright, so that's a look at the two different Sunllipe lamps that we have today. Make sure you do check the description section for more information below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.